Hi everyone. Today we will learn report and dashboard. So report and dashboard we will add on the tab how it will come. First of all we need to click on the navigation bar here. Add more item. Click on all and add report and dashboard from here. Search and add like this add. Okay. Then it will add here in the navigation item report and dashboard. You can remove also from here again cancel, so it's added now. And then you need to click on the report button, click on new report all. You need admission object report, how it will come. Find admission object, so it will not come. How it will come for a new object? You need to go object manager. In the same object you need to go and click on edit. 1 minute, let me do again. Go in object manager, find your object, click edit and go down. Here allow report, you need to checkbox this. You need to click on this checkbox allow report, then only this will come here. Click on the report, start report, click to add fields. Now whatever fields you want you need to add from here. Add in column, suppose you need full name, gender, state, country. Refresh. So this is basic report. This basic report dashboard will not come. You need to create advanced level report for this. How it will do, see. So now suppose country I will add in a group. Refresh. So country wise we have added report. There are 12 countries where no details are added. Now four records are from USA. Those have these 4 records. So now you have more clarity. So you have segregated report as per the country wise. 4 records are from USA, 3 are from UK, 1 from India. So total are 20 records, and 12 are with 12 records don't have any country. You can add anything, like if I will go and add a gender wise I want to show see report. Refresh the page. See, 16 records don't have gender, 3 have miss male, and 1 have female. So like this you can do, and by this you can take the your dashboard also. Again add gender here. Refresh. Save this. Save. So now go to dashboard, new dashboard, create plus. Now your saved report is coming here. Click here, select. So now you can see whatever dashboard you want to take, chart you want to take, you can take. See, so it is showing 12 don't have any country, 4 records have USA, 3 from UK, 1 from India. Add. So dashboard is coming. You can add multiple as per the requirement. See, you can add multiple. Save. So this is report and dashboard. With the report and dashboard you can do one more thing. So for that let me create one more report. Okay, admission object, start report, show fields. Simple report I will create now. Full name, gender, state, country. Okay, so basic information I have taken. Now this is a simple basic report as per like Excel. If we want this information, so suppose this is my object. This all report we have 100 200 records are here. We want to export in Excel. How we will do the simple things? We will go in reports and we will add whatever fields we want to add. Save. And export. Export formatted details only, formatted only. You can add format CSV export. So see, it's coming now. A basic report is coming now. See, now basic reports coming. So you can add, take report also, like just like that. This is report and dashboard. Thank you everyone.